So here, F3 was battery. This uses 2. This uses 1. We're gonna put them in. This is Kiddle. That's a first alert. That was very bad. The battery is in the Kiddle. It's very old. Here we go. Something's not right. Okay. Retake and okay, so it worked, but still very old. So now there's that. Now we're gonna see if the light works. Well, I know this thing's very old. Alright, it's in. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it just did. My bad. So here we go. One more time. Oh man, the light don't work. But yeah, it's very dead. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment. I know these two are old, and they function pretty good. Well, this one's dying. This one did, so pretty much 50-50. But the alarms at the old house got replaced, so bye-bye.